Is that a super? He's sleepy. He's awake. It's Stance. That's cute. Tall cars in a Stance meet section. I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Hi guys, long time no vlog. So we have Yaris here, we have tall boys here, and guess what? We're in a Stance meet with our tall boys. Well, we're with Ow. Thank you, Makdo.
Thank you, Makdo.
Okay, we got drinks because it's too hot. We'll look at the Stance cars later pag hindi na ako mag-melt as a person. Okay, we're not in the lot because it's too hot. But look at these guys over there sa tawid. Well, I mean, it's so smart kasi nandun yung shade. And this is really hot here. I feel like this vlog will be wheels and it's hot. And that's about the whole script. Well, it's called the Southern Sun, right?
It's called the Southern Sun. Tapos maluluto ka dito, bro.
Yeah, ayun. It's a cute Miata. Is that a Supra? Okay, we're at the tall cars in a Stance meet section. Oliver is here. Hello! What's up? Okay, I'm good. I'm very... Okay, this is enough height? Yeah. Okay, let's walk around. You. Okay, I don't know where to start. But anyways, dun muna sa dulo. It's a wagon. So pretty. Okay, we have Bimmers and Supras. Typhar. Teggy. Z. Koala. Wait, people are taking pictures and I feel so awkward doing this. Oh my god, sorry guys. I really don't know how to do meat vlogs. Of course, see, Oriberu's GTSD is here. Oryx, GR Yaris. Look, we're like tall boys. So, tall Yaris, tall Lancer. Tall Lancer. In a Stance meet. Okay, walking. Porsche, so pretty. Really slammed R8 over there. I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm trying to talk loud. Super! Beans! Meron pa siya yung dice sa loob. Ang cute. What the? That's so pretty. It's a lavender Wigo. That's cute. Chebex. Oh, look. It's a Trueno. And 11. Sobrang cute. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever see them together beside each other like this. Sobrang rare pops moment in my life. Ganun. We have our really cute Miatas over here. Sleepy eye. He's sleepy. He's awake. Sorry kung sabaw ng vlog. It's really too hot. My brain is freaking fried. We have our FBs over here. We're just gonna walk around. Yeah. I feel really awkward kasi I'm having a good picture and we have to wait bago tayo tumawid. Like, okay. Nakatawid tayo. Okay. Another Miata. Oh, look at this. This one's pretty cool. It's a two-door Sentua. That's really pretty. And cute. It's two-door, if you can see. This one, Watanabe's. And naka-NS2R siya na tires. Oh, Adaptronic. Is this? Naka-SR? Why? Neo VBL. It's cute. Yeah, this one's nice. The blue and silver na light. Wala lang. Super bagay. Actually, I think this one is my favorite today. We have a 4-door Starlet over there. Look at that. And of course, the super pretty galant. Teka, manggulo tayo ng tao. Hi, Seb!
What's this? Hello. Hello. What's this? Is this a
This is
vlog?
the vlog, yeah.
Hello.
Hello, say hi, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hide now. I'm shy.
No, don't be shy. Okay. Dina's car is over there, and we have her Evo's over here. That's super cute. Let's make a U-turn. Making a U-turn. Do 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 do. Oh, it's an IS. Very cute. There we go. Now we have U-turned. These party gates. Let's just wait for it. Okay. You. Okay, just walking around. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing in front of the city. What is that? Oh my god, it's a slammed kiddie car thing. It's Stance. That's cute. Cute Yaris. I have a new appreciation for Yarises. I don't know why. This is a nice Pajero. Ayan. Euro 2. Ayun. That's cute. Okay. Galant. Santa. Bummer. Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. You. Oh, wait. Look at that. I didn't see this. Here's a donut. That's so cute. That's so cute. 86. 86. Oh my god. It's a no. Hori. Is that Hori? Yeah, it's Hori from Hori Mia. Freaking weeb. That's most of the stuff, I think. So yeah, let's keep going around. Webo. Oh, look at this. Look at this guy. Yes, big brakes. Then we have our classic Civic. Actually, this is the only Civic EG I've seen today. That's really odd. Oh no, the wind noise is pretty malakas. Cute jazz. Teka, doon tayo tumawid beside the Kowowa. Small body, cutie. That's really cute. The IS200 is quite noisy. Look at that. That looks pretty. Yeah. Okay, this Z is nice. It's really nice. Yes, the no smoking little trees over there. I don't have that in my collection yet. Ayan. Oh my god, I really feel like I'm blocking photographer people's photography. Pogi nung RS5. Grabe. Nagpa-picture sila guys. Never mind. Abort. Dala tayo sa harap. I want one! And this color also. It's cute. Our box type is beside a box type. That's so cute. I feel like I keep saying pretty and cute. Kasi they're all clean and cute and pretty nga naman. Oh my god. It's a Mazda 2. I think may peaker to. Oh my god. Meron nga. That's 02. Freaking weeb. Waifu pa more, guys. Waifu pa more. Look, it's our favorite wheels on this Sentra. Super advanced. Sobrang cute. I like that. I like the colorway na gray, black, and red. That's pretty. Walking around the Stance Pilipinas. I don't know what I'm looking at. Pretty wheels, lowered cars, slammed cars. Very cute. There are a lot of things I wasn't expecting to see here. And a lot of things I was also expecting to see here. So yeah, all in all, maganda yung variety ngayon. Pagod na ako guys. It's so hot. Oh look. Stick a bag. I think these are all Sticko Manila stickers. Yeah. Yeah man, that's cute. It's Miku and Putao. I'm not gonna identify everyone kasi dami niya. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. We've seen most of it. We'll just take more videos later. Okay guys, honestly, I don't know what to look at. It's overwhelming. There's a lot of nice cars. The variety is pretty good. I haven't been to a Stance meet in a long time. Fun lang, very chill. Hi, Sab.
And then you say,
Hi again.
Hello.
Oh, it's your car. Charan! What's new? Wala, same tayo. Oh my god, usually you see dogs sa car meet. Oh my god, it's a Kate! It's a car meet Kate. Oh my god, ang cute! Hello! First time ko nakita ng car meet cat. Hello! Kinabog mo lahat ng dogs. Okay, I have a stupid idea. I'm just gonna hand the camera to the owners and then they can just show their cars. So, we shall see if this works. I don't know if it's gonna work though. So, ayun. Hello!
hello. Oh, I'm Danny. So, inline 4 turbo, 1.8 liter. It has a dual clutch transmission until 7 speed.
View! What wheels are you on?
Those are Rotiform KP1s. Actually, ano siya? You know Ken Block?
Yeah.
Those are his signature wheels. As I imported those myself along with the brakes. Those are real good 6 spots.
What are your rears on?
Yung sula, stock pa rin.
Stock pa rin!
Walang rear kit to eh.
Talaga?
So I mean like it's front wheel drive lang, so I don't really have to worry about the rear. I think crazy shit. This is from Poland.
Ooh. Alcantara.
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 Is my brother.
Hello.
Follow me on burn.
Yeah. I will link that.
All the parts are Alcantara over there until sa dulo.
I want to touch it. Touch it. Oh. I'd let the vlog touch it, but you're not here.
Galing yan sa Poland, had it imported. So all the parts here were imported by me myself.
Nice.
Medyo kasi. Pero worth it.
The things we do.
Things we do for the cars we love. And
Yeah. You want to take over? Show us around. Yeah.
I'm burn.
Okay. Here is the camera.
Hey yo, what's up? Welcome to my vlog takeover. So, these are KB1s, size 19, 8.5, 11 at the back, Maxton Forge design. It's just a hood. It has air suspension, so we backed this with fitment. There's Seb, there's Ralph, and there's Iggy Guy. We also have carbon side blades, the burnt logo, shout out import hookup. We also have here our V10 V8 plus bumper. We got fitment, we still got Sir Oric go over here. This is a V8, and yeah, so we'll get back to Chels. Here's the vlog.
Oh my god, you got my name wrong. It's okay. Thanks for showing us your car. So there you go, guys.
That's just me vlogging.
He's in character, guys. Gianluca just got here and he's trying his best to get footage before the sun goes down. He's not exactly winning right now. Bye-bye to Levin and bye-bye to the true Wayno.
Genie, look at that.
Okay, this is his vlog. I'll link you. Yeah.
Vlog at me?
Vlog at me, bro. Okay, we're losing daylight, guys. Medyo pagod na rin ako. Okay, guys, that's pretty much the Stance meet. It's dark now, so yeah, may lighting pa. Ay, magpakita ka. Hello. So yeah, that's it. That's the Stance meet. SPNF Southern Sun meet. Oh my god, yung box ko ang gulo. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Or if you want to follow our TikTok or Instagram or Facebook page, you can do that. I post every day. So, ayun lang. Till the next vlog. See you guys. Bye-bye. Stay cool.